Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use homes.com for property comparisons, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.homes.com. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Enter the location or zip code of the properties you want to compare. Click the magnifying glass icon or press enter to start the search. After the results display, browse through the listings. Select the properties you are interested in by clicking on each one. A details page will open for the selected property, showcasing key information. To compare properties, look for an option to add to compare on each property page. Click this option for each property you want to include in your comparison. Once you've selected all the properties, find the Compare button, usually located at the top of the page. Click on this button to view the comparison screen. The comparison screen will display important details side by side. Take note of the price, square footage, number of bedrooms, and other key features. This makes it easy to see the differences and similarities between properties. To refine your comparison, you can adjust the filters on the left side. These filters allow you to narrow down options based on price range, size, and more. Once satisfied with your comparison, you can save the results for future reference. To do this, look for a Save or Favorite option on the comparison screen. Log in or create an account if prompted to save your selections. After saving, you're ready to start contacting real estate agents about the properties you're interested in. Explore other features of homes.com to maximize your property search experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.